This is the Thermomate electric water heater. Thank you to Thermomate for sending me this product for review. When I received this package, it came with an outer box, so it was packaged very well. You can see that they have taken care so it arrives safely to you. These electric water heaters come in three popular sizes: 8 kilowatt, 11 kilowatt, and 14 kilowatt. If you look at the manufacturer's website, there's even a larger size that might be available. These are tankless electric water heaters that are point of use. This is not the type that you would expect to power an entire large house with 5 bathrooms. These are for specific use, such as right at a bathroom addition, point of use, a new addition, a daycare center, a gym, a public bathroom, anywhere where you need easy installation for instant hot water. Now don't throw away all the packaging. This is the control knob that came in the foam. Your new Thermomate electric water heater will come ready to install, and they gave you everything you needed. Supplied in the kit is the mounting hanging brackets with hollow core anchors. You can mount this to any wall. There are some clearances, such as 15 inches above the unit and 12 inches to the side of the unit for safety. Of course, you don't want it in an area that's easily accessible for children, but you can mount them under cabinets directly in bathrooms. The product comes with some safety warnings, all the statistics and installation instructions. There were some washers included, and that's for these water inlet and outlet connections. They included a mounting board, so if you were going to a finished wall and wanted to be very detailed for your placement to hang your electric water heater, that's included. These single point of use electric water heaters are easy to install. You don't have to spend thousands of dollars with a plumber. However, they are for smaller applications. You'll decide which model you need, the small, medium, or large. That's the 8 kilowatt, 11 kilowatt, and the 14 kilowatt. The manufacturer sent us the 14 kilowatt here to review and install. I like that the manufacturer labeled the inflow and the outflow so clear. Look at this. The blue is the cold water coming in, and the red side is the hot water coming out and exiting. They've also included this electrical strain relief clamp for your wiring, so you don't have to install that. It's already done for you. Let's pop off the hood and see what's going on inside. Okay, here's the heart of the system. These are a no-leak design, designed to be maintenance-free. The cast iron aluminum heating chamber should prevent scaling and rust. You do have adjustable temperature control, and the display can read in Celsius and Fahrenheit. Your electrical wire is going to come up in here. It's a 2-wire system, so it's a 240-volt system, and then grounding is required. Electric water heaters have a lot of benefits over gas. They're so easy to install, and you don't have to worry about the safety of a gas pipe and carbon monoxide risk. There's additional sensors on the inside that will monitor the water temperatures. As long as 0.4 of a gallon per minute or more is flowing, the unit will automatically come on and heat to your desired temperature. Near point of use, electric water heaters solve a lot of problems. Again, they're not gigantic units that cost thousands of dollars for a plumber to install. You can install this yourself, or you could just do the portion you're comfortable with and hire out, for instance, the electrical. I'll also do a how-to installation video after this one where I'll show it plumbed in, water running, the heating element on. You can adjust your temperature setting here. It does display in Fahrenheit and Celsius. You get to pick. These are fully mountable on finished walls. Anywhere where you need hot water quick and instantly, this will respond within seconds, delivering the hot water you need. On-demand electric water heaters deliver endless supply of water. You'll never run out of hot water again. This video was my own thoughts. Nobody reviewed this video before I uploaded it to my channel. Let me know if you have any questions or comments down below. The links in the video description are filled out. The Amazon affiliate links are mine. There is a manufacturer discount. Look for that link as well. Now next, watch this video to see me install this electric water heater and watch it operate. Hey, I know you can do this yourself.